Melting moment cookies, the most crumbly, buttery, and delicious cookie ever. So easy to make, and yet yields the best result every time. Now why are melting moment cookies melt in your mouth? Cornstarch makes the magic. That makes it perfect for anyone who likes to do it for an early Christmas baking. Let's take a look how to make melting moments. Measure all the ingredients. Measure the following ingredients before we get started. Butter, cut in small cubes. Icing sugar. Cake flour. Cornstarch. And some salt. Put all the ingredients in a mixer or blender. I like to add the butter first, followed by icing sugar. And cornstarch. And salt. Lastly, add the cake flour on top. It takes half a minute to mix all the ingredients. The time depends on the softness of the butter and how small the butter cubes are. Once the mixture is stick together to form a large lump, it will be clear from the mixing bowl. That's when you can stop mixing. Prepare the baking tray. Cut a large piece of baking paper to the size of your baking tray. Apply some oil to the paper with a bakery brush. Shape the cookies. Use a small amount of the cookie dough to form a ball with your clean hand. I make some small ones which is about 12 grams each, but you can make bigger cookies if you want. Place the ball on an oil baking paper, well separated from each other. Press it down with the back of the fork to form a pattern. Otherwise, you can also pipe it onto the paper. Baking. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes for the cookies weighted about 12 grams each. Please take note that many of the temperature indicators of the ovens are not very accurate. Please test out with my recommendation with a small batch and then adjust when you make a larger batch. Cooling and packaging. Cool the cookies on the baking tray. Be very careful because it is very fragile. Put the cookies into the cookies box and separate with the bubble wraps. Seal it up with cellophane tape. Use a color tape to tape it up for better presentation. This melting moment recipe has been used for a number of years in our restaurant. Want to make it for this holiday season? You can download the recipe and read more details about it at tasteasianfood.com melting moments recipe. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. You'll find there are many more of the similar Asian dishes out there. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.